fun little exercise that will not only challenge your balance, but it'll work your core. We're going to be working with the static pose, high pointer, and turning it into a training drill with crunches. Bringing the elbow and knee together to touch, and then extension. Here's what this looks like on the ground. Finding a high pointer, bringing the elbow slowly and the knee together, touching, and then extending. We're doing this 3 times on each side before we switch to the other side. Finding full extension every time in your high pointer, finding a full touch with the elbow and the knee every time when you crunch in. Okay? Now we'll be doing this a little bit slower on the line to have more success and to be just more graceful. If you haven't had a chance to check out our SLACKROBATS tutorials for some formal instruction on how to do high pointer, please do so before trying this drill. Starting in high pointer. Finding full extension, pointing the toes and fingers. Going to bring it in slow and controlled, touching the elbow and the knee, and then extending out. Touching the elbow and knee, extending out, touching the elbow and knee, extending out. Moving on to the other side. Finding the pointer on this side, bringing the elbow and knee together, touch, extend, touch, extend, touch, extend. Now this will help if you have a drifty point, something that's not moving, on the ground in front of you about 5 to 7 feet from where you're at. If this is easy for you, or you'd like to increase the challenge, try doing more reps. So instead of 3 times, bump it up to 5, bump it up to 7, bump it up to 10. Find something that challenges you, but also remember to take breaks and hydrate. Until next time, SLACKROBATS, keep on training. Dun, 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 dun.